Hey everyone, I'm here to give you a quick tutorial on what you're going to be doing today in the PhET simulation. Everything will be linked into the Google Classroom assignment. This took a while for my computer to load, so just give it time. Also, make sure that you are running all the correct programs to allow the simulation. If you need to change some settings, you may have to do that. Up here, we can see that we have single collisions, mini collisions, and rate of experiment. What you're going to be doing is answering questions on a Google form. You will be adding molecules to this window. You can change the temperature down here, and depending on what tab you're on, you can introduce different amounts of compounds and elements. And I want you just to see what's going on to the rate of reaction, the amount of energy when we change the temperature, when we add more compounds or more mixtures or more molecules. And this can be represented in graph form, and I want you to pay special attention to the energy and rate of reaction, because that will be key in answering questions on the Google form. You can also see the rate of experiment. You can change what elements you're adding and how much you're adding, like that. And then what's happening, it keeps track of what's going on. It tells you the temperature. You can track the temperature from the beginning to the end of the experiment. What are the amount of compounds you have going on? Things like that. So that's what you're going to be using today. And if you have any questions, let me know. If not, just turn in the Google Classroom form and you will be all done. Thank you.